So you're getting ready to relax in your recliner, but the mechanism breaks and you aren't able to recline. If you aren't ready to replace your couch type recliner or live with it being broken, watch this very quick and inexpensive fix. Inside your recliner is this little cable with your latch, and what's broken is this cheap little piece of plastic that holds that end of the cable. Luckily you can buy the replacement part on Amazon for $9.99, or if you're like us and you had two of these break on you, you can get a handy 2-pack for $16.99. The only tools you're going to need for this repair are a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. Since I was making this repair by myself, I use an ottoman to hold the couch in place. It's a pretty simple setup. You just have your handle, which goes to the cable, over to this mechanism. First thing you're going to do is take out the drywall screws to hold the handle in place. And then from the back, you're going to squeeze this black bracket, and that's going to pop out. And then with the cable loose, you're just going to kind of manipulate the cable around until that end pops out. Whenever you're working on stuff, just kind of take a mental note of where everything goes. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this cable and handle out and put another one back in, just the same way. At this point, it might be really tempting just to hook everything up here, but I wouldn't recommend doing that, because it's actually easier to go put the screws in the handle first. If the cable isn't hooked up, then you have a little bit of play with the handle and it's easier to put the screws in place. And you want to make sure that this cable doesn't go behind this little metal piece, it actually goes over it. If you leave that cable below, then this won't actually allow this actuator to work. Then you just push your clip back in place. Then turn your couch back over, give it a try. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.